Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to create Apple iCloud ID. To start, open your App Store in your iOS device. Then head on over to purchase an account or purchase an application. In here, you will be asked to sign in to complete a purchase. Close it for now. Click the search bar on the bottom right. Then click on the human icon on the upper right this time, and then in here, you'll be led to the account settings. For now, close your application store. Head on over to your settings application in your iOS device. Then in here, click on the button that says Sign In to your iPhone. Then in here, tap on Don't Have an Apple ID or Forgot It. In here, we will now be proceeding in creating your Apple ID. First, input your name and date of birth. Then in here, input your email address. Now create your Apple ID password. Now input your phone number, and then a verification code will be sent to the phone number you used. Just input the verification code this time. Now click on Agree. Wait for the sign in to finish and then enter your iPhone passcode. Now select Merge. And that's it. You now have your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.